Hey guys, happy Friday. This is specifically for Miss Evans' class because guess what? This is your memory book. So you're going to go through, this is your assignment today, and this is going to be yours. It will be saved to your Google Drive, so you'll be able to get to it. You're going to click through and answer these questions. You know, if we were at school, you would be doing a memory book. We'd be passing it around. People would be signing it. You'd be writing about your favorite things. Well, that's what you're going to do, except digitally. Okay, so we have gone in, Miss Evans and I, we have put some pictures of us on there for you. You're going to fill in your favorite things. Okay, so go through and read these. Miss Evans added your first day of school picture. Then you're just going to read the pages, fill them in. There's also a place for you to write about this time that we've been at home. All right. You might want to add some pictures. Here's a place for you to add some pictures. Maybe your mom took some pictures of some of the parties or some of the events that we've had at school. Then Miss Evans added some classroom pictures of you guys, and then the field trip. Okay. The last slide, just a fun, if you want to. Okay. Phonics scavenger hunt. I'm going to leave it on there. All righty. But this is for you to spend some time on today, guys. Don't go through it quickly. And guess what? You're going to have your computer probably till Thursday. That's our official time. You could be working on this off and on, adding pictures. Ask Mom if she's got some pictures that you could put on here. But this is what you would be working on if we were in school next week. That last few days of school, we'd be working on this. Something similar to this, okay? So, Miss Ellis put this together for us, so we're all using the basic same outline. If you want to add some other things to it, you can. It might be fun if we could figure out how to put your slide in here. I don't know. We'll figure it out for next week, all right? So have fun with this today, guys. Have a great day.